Hey, welcome to this video. Dora here, and in this one we'll talk about how to choose how to find Clickbank products to promote. And this is actually very important, right? Because when it comes to affiliate marketing, making money with Clickbank, we need to be good at few things. So number one is product, right? We need to have something to promote. Number two, traffic and conversions. So product is very important, right? Because if you don't know how to find profitable product to promote, people and if the product you're selling is not good product, right? Basically people won't be buying your product, but also if you're selling garbage, people can refund, right? So it's very important to find that profitable quality product to promote, and this is exactly what we'll be talking about in this video. And before we start, if this is your first time here on this channel, welcome. My name is Dora, and here you can find a lot of different videos that will help you build solid, unshakable, successful affiliate marketing business, and that will help you sell Clickbank products. So consider subscribing for more information, more videos that will help you take your business to the next level. So let's talk about how to find a profitable product to promote. And what I want to do in this video is I want to give you some criteria that I'm personally following to find profitable products to promote, but also I want to give you a few of those criteria we'll be talking about in this video. Will actually help you position yourself for more money in the future, will help you multiply your income, because what's going to happen is you'll be putting the same amount of work, same energy, same effort, same marketing dollars, but your money will multiply. Okay, now when it comes to product selection, most people would start with product selection itself. So people will be like, okay, just show me the product, right? Just show me what I promote. But the thing is, first we need to make sure that there is actually a need in the marketplace for products we'll be selling, right? Because if there is no need, you can have the best product in the world, worthless product. But again, if there is no need, people are not looking for that result your product delivers, right? And therefore people won't be buying your stuff. So, again, we need to make sure that there is actually need in the marketplace, okay? And then we'll actually talk more about product selection. Now, when it comes to making sure that there is this need in the marketplace, we need to look for those markets, those niches where there is need, right? Now, to do it, you can take two roads. Okay, first route is you can look for something called booming industries. So those are industries that are growing very, very fast, right, rapidly, and they will continue to grow, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now. So a good example is actually e-commerce, right? Also e-learning, because if you think about it, kind of more and more colleges are giving people that opportunity to take courses, classes online, right? Even to get degrees online. So this is actually when it comes to booming industries, and to actually find them, just take a look what's going on in the world, right? So you can use tools such as Google Trends to see what's going on in the world and basically where opportunities are, right? Now the second one that you can take is you can look for something called evergreen markets. And basically those markets are proven to make money. So those markets will always make money. And the reason why is because there is always going to be a need for products in those markets, right? So we have three of those markets. Okay, the first one is health and fitness, second one wealth, and the third one is love, dating, relationship. Now if you think about it, the reason why there is always going to be a need for products in those markets, the reason why people will be always buying those products is because people will always want to have more money, right? Be in good shape, be healthy, be fit, be in happy relationship, be loved, right? All that stuff. So this is why those markets are proven to make money, right? Because there is always going to be someone who will want to lose weight, right? For example. So again, those are kind of two roads that you can take when it comes to ensuring that there is a need in the marketplace. Now, so what I want to do right now is I want to talk more about product selection criteria. Okay, so here's what I'm looking for in a product, and then I'll actually show you an example, okay, how to actually find this product on one of the marketplaces. But first thing that I'm looking for is I want to make sure the product I'm selling is actually quality product, okay? Like you want to make sure you are not selling garbage stuff, because people won't be buying garbage stuff, right? And even though someone buys, people can refund. So that way you want to keep commission, but also you are putting your reputation on the line. A lot of people don't know what they are selling. People are selling garbage, right? So so for example, let's just say you sold garbage to one person. Now that person will be skeptical when you make some other recommendation in the future, right? So this is why it's important to promote quality stuff. Like you want to make sure the stuff you're selling is actually quality stuff, right? And this is actually very, very important when it comes to multiplying your income, and we'll talk more about it in just a second. Now what I'm looking for, so basically quality, valuable product, right? Now you might be asking, okay, but how do I know if product is actually quality, valuable product? So what you can do is you can actually do some research on the product, right, on Google. You can see what other people are saying. Or, the best way is if you actually purchase product yourself, you go to product, right, you take a look what's inside. And this is the best way, like you will know what's inside the product, right? So this is the best way to actually ensure the product is quality, valuable product. So if the product actually delivers, that result it promises to deliver, that means product is quality product. Now let's talk about criteria number 2, okay? And this is what I'm looking for, of course, commissions. So, basically if I have product that delivers the same result, right, both products, if I have two products that deliver the same result, both of those products are actually quality products, right? So, and one is paying me, I don't know, let's just say $20, and the second one is paying me $50, right? So, of course, I'm going to promote this one that's paying me $50, okay? So let's talk about thing number 3. And this is, so I want to talk more about how can you actually multiply your income, right? And here's how. So what you can do, what I'm usually looking for in a product is I'm looking for residual income. So basically that opportunity for you, for me as an affiliate, to actually get paid multiple times, right, over and over again from same customers. So this is actually where, those are some type of monthly subscriptions, right, different tools, different softwares, but basically where people are getting rebilled, over and over again, right, and basically that way you're getting paid over and over again. So this is kind of when it comes to residual income, because it's very, very cool, because it gives you that opportunity to make money over and over again, right? Basically, you put in the same amount of effort to acquire that customer once, but because you are getting paid over and over again, your money multiplies, right? And one more thing when it comes to multiplying your money, okay, so fourth one is what I'm looking for is I'm looking for multiple price points. So here's what I mean by this. So usually as affiliates, so no matter what it is that you're selling, right, but basically you will get paid for this first product that you sell. But here's the thing, so all our customers are actually presented with multiple products on the back end. So within the funnel, right, within this process, as they are going through this, sales process, people are presented with multiple products. Now usually we as affiliates would not get paid for all those multiple products on the back end, and this is actually where most money is made. So, we would get paid, I don't know, maybe $10, $20 for this first initial product, but then for all of those high ticket products, we would not get paid, right? So when I say, multiple price points, I mean like you want to make sure you are getting paid for all those products, right, within the funnel that your customers are presented with. So what I want to do right now is I want to show you actually in practice how to implement all of those criteria. And to do it, I'll actually go here on Clickbank. Now I want to show you how to implement all of those criteria right here on Clickbank, because this is one of the biggest marketplaces when it comes to selling digital products here on the internet. But basically you can implement, right, all of those strategies for any marketplace, for choosing, any product from any marketplace. But here's what I would do here on Clickbank. So first thing, of course, I want to click here on affiliate marketplace to actually find products that are available here on this marketplace. And here we have thousands of different products in different niches from different vendors that we can promote as affiliates. Now here on the left side you can see all of those different categories, right? For example, business/investing, computers, cooking, e-business, games, green products, right? Home and garden, health and fitness. But again, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for either for booming industries or evergreen markets, right? So for example, here we have e-business and e-marketing. This is actually a good category here on Clickbank because this is part of wealth market, right? One of evergreen industries. Then we have health and fitness, right? Also good one, great one, because there is always going to be a need for products in those markets, right? A good one is parenting and families, self-help. So let's just click on one, for example, health and fitness. Because I want to show you how to actually implement all of those product selection criteria, right, in choosing your product. So here we have all of the products available. As you can see, we have over 1,000 different products here, right? But what I want to do here on Clickbank is I want to find that profitable product, right? So I want to find that product that's converting very, very well. And to do it, I'm looking for something called gravity. So what I want to do is I want to sort results by something called gravity. And gravity is that formula Clickbank used to calculate how well each product sells. And the higher that number, the higher that gravity score, it tells me more affiliates are making money by selling this product, right? And basically, that also tells me the product is converting probably, right, very, very well, because a lot of people are making money, and therefore it will be easier for us to sell this product. So right now, as you can see, product with the highest gravity score is this one, okay, flat belly fix. You can see gravity score here, 236.94. So what we can do is we can actually click on the product. So basically you can see how the sales page looks like, right? So you can see how the sales page looks like. Pretty simple, headline video, right? For people who want to read, they can click here and they can read the sales page. But it's pretty simple, right? But obviously it's converting very, very well. So here's what I'm looking for here on Clickbank. Okay, here it says average, per sale, how much you're making per sale. This is actually that number that tells you how much you are making every time someone purchases this product from you. So you can see for this product you would make on average $38.54. So first criterion is actually quality, right? So basically do some research on the product, you purchase product, you see what's inside the product. Then we have commission, so you can see commissions here. Okay, then we have residual income. Okay, so here is where you can see residual income. So below every product you can see all of those different numbers, right? Now when it comes to residual income, you can see here where it says average rebill total. Okay, so this is that amount of money that you are making every time your customers are getting rebilled. If there is this actual opportunity, not opportunity, but if people are actually getting rebilled, right? So for example, here you can see 0.63, right? So basically there's no rebill component, okay? There's no residual income. So you just sell this product and that's it, right? So basically you sell this product, you got paid and that's it. Now below it you can see in percentage how much rebill is. So you can see it's 1%, right? Basically there is no rebill, okay? Now for example, here with this second product you can see that average bill total is $39, right? So basically there is these recurring commissions, so you refer customers once and you are getting paid over and over again. So you can see this is 75% commissions. It's probably every single month, okay? Because with most products this is recurring commissions are every single month. So this is kind of when it comes to recurring commissions. And then we have the last one, which is multiple price points, right? So you want to make sure that there's this opportunity for you to get paid for all those products within the funnel, right? So here's how you do this. So to do it, what you need to do is need to compare two numbers. So the first number is this average per sale amount with this initial per sale amount. Okay, this is the second number. And basically, if those two numbers are the same, that tells me there is no, opportunity for you to actually make money for all those backend products. Okay, so you are making money for just that first initial product, and that initial product is actually that first product, right? So in example with flat belly fix, this is that first initial product. So basically the number is the same. You're not getting paid for all those products, right? But if average per sale amount, if this number right here is actually much higher than this initial per sale amount, that actually tells me that you are getting paid for all of the products inside within the funnel, right? Basically, because the thing is, your people will be presented with multiple products, right? So you want to make sure that you are actually getting paid for all those products within the funnel. For example, like I'm trying to find, okay, for example, you can see this one, okay? You can see average per sale amount is $72 and initial per sale amount is $10, right? So basically there's this difference. That means people are presented with multiple products, right? Some people will buy multiple products, some won't. But if there is this difference, okay, that tells you that you are getting paid for multiple products within the funnel, right? So this is kind of when it comes to product selection and finding products here on Clickbank or any other marketplace. Okay, just follow those four criteria and you'll be good. So this is how you choose a profitable Clickbank product to promote. So hopefully this video was valuable to you. If you learned something new, please give me some thumbs up. And also because it's one thing to have a good product, but it's another thing, like once you have that good product, you also need to know how to successfully promote this product, right? Because at the end of the day, this is how we make money. And if you want to learn this, if you literally need step-by-step guide that will show you how to do it, what you can do is you can click on the first link in the description and you can access that step-by-step training that will show exactly how to do it, how to successfully sell affiliate products, different Clickbank products, right? Whatever it is that you are selling. But also, it will show you how to build that stability in your business. So basically, even though you're selling someone else's product, right, it will show you how to build successful, unshakable, stable affiliate marketing business around this concept of selling other people's products, right? So if you literally feel that you need that step-by-step guide, feel free to check it out. And again, this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And I'm really looking forward to talk to you soon.